Hi, how's it going, guys? So, welcome to online learning here. All right. So, kind of exciting. Um, I will say, just to hopefully you guys saw my intro video, but if you did not see the intro video, just to give you an overview of what's going to be going on, for each section, you will have to complete a quiz homework assignment. All right. The link is on Canvas. So go on Canvas, it says 11.1 quizzes, get on there. Now, you have to join my class. So the email I sent on St. Patty's Day, hopefully you guys clicked on that link and joined my class. If you didn't, please do that. It's in your email. Go into your email, join my quizzes class, because that is going to be for a grade. All right. Everything we do is for a grade. So there's that. Join quizzes, get the quizzes done. All right. The other thing that you have to do for each section is a Canvas practice quiz. You get 3 attempts at it. Got to get above a 70%. All right. So make sure you're getting that done to get full credit. The last thing is Math Excel, like you guys have always been doing for each section. So we bounce around a little bit. So this section that we're gonna be working on right now is gonna be section 11.1. Okay, so I know CP, we left off with chapter 12 and didn't get to finish chapter 12. We're just gonna stop where we were at with chapter 12. So you don't have to worry about 12.5, the homework assignment on Math Excel. Don't have to worry about that because we're stopping. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next chapter. So like I said, 12.5. It has been unassigned, and you do not have to worry about it. It is not for points in PowerSchool. Honors, I will say for my honors geo class, you guys, your tests for chapter 12, those are in PowerSchool. I added in the 10% if you took it individually, and also your group grades are in there as well. So whoever was on top, I graded that and put that score in PowerSchool. All right. So we are going to start with chapter 11. Okay. So we're going to start here with chapter 11. This is going to be chapter 11, section 1. So just so you guys are aware of that. Chapter 11, section 1. So it's going to be back to area. So hopefully you guys remember area from like, I don't know, 4th grade or something like that. So not too bad to start off with. So these are our area formulas, you guys know, because it says A equals. These are the ones that are on your yellow sheet. Okay, so you have access to the yellow sheet on Canvas. So these are the ones that you do not have to memorize. The rest of this stuff, cone, pyramid, all that stuff, that's for volume. So we're not going to get into that today. We're just talking about area for today. Now, there are going to be some formulas you guys have to memorize. I will talk about that when we get there. Okay, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So to start off here, this video, I will say, guys, these videos only go for 5 minutes. So when I do these videos, because I did not get the unlimited version, so I will say that Mr. Elling, he's kind of cheap. So I can only go for 5 minutes. So there's going to be a couple videos for each section taking you through all the examples of the notes. Okay, so I'm going to go through every single example on here, take you through it, and we'll solve it. Okay. So for this one here, for number 1, okay, we have our area formula is going to be base times height for any parallelogram. So back to chapter 6, square, it's a parallelogram, good to go. So here for square, all sides are the same. All right, so our base and our height are just 8.5. So all we have to do for this one is just 8.5 times 8.5. All right. And for that, when we multiply them together, we get 72.25. All right, 72.25. And we look at the unit we're in feet, so it's going to be feet squared. Okay. So for number 1, 72.25 feet squared. Area is always in square units. Okay. Always in square units. So if we're looking at the next one, I'm just going to erase a little bit of that number 1 so that we can see our second example here. So for number 2, the area formula for this, it's a triangle. So area equals, and the one they give you up there is 1/2 base times height. We can also do base times height divided by 2. I hope we understand that. Base times height divided by 2. Because if we multiply by 1/2, guess what? It's the same thing as dividing by 2.